everyone, welcome back to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today's video is super exciting because I am reviewing yet another launch by Sugar Cosmetics, and it's their Sugar Aquaholic range, and I'm super excited to try this. So look at this box, how cute this is. I can totally use this box once I'm done filming this video. So if you guys want to see their new Aquaholic range in action, then keep on watching. So recently Sugar launched their new skincare range, and we're gonna try that together. That's why I don't have anything on my face. It's totally bare, as you can see. So this is how the packaging looks. I am in love with this container. This is such a nice box. You can definitely use this. And this is how it looks. It has some water here, I don't know what it is, and it keeps moving, and it's really nice. So they have 5 products in this range. So first product is their Aquaholic Instant Pore Cleansing Mask. So I thought this was a mask, but actually it's a face wash. So you just apply this for like 5 to 10 seconds and it bubbles up, and you then just rub it really nicely and use this. So I'm going to show you the texture. This is the texture. This is how it looks. And it's very gel-like and creamy. I'm just gonna apply this quickly on my face before it gets bubbly. So the first step is to cleanse your face and then just massage it really nicely. You can see it totally starts bubbling up. This is how it looks. It starts bubbling up, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna rub it really nicely and just go and wash it. I'm quickly gonna go and wash my face now. So this mask claims to be a deep cleansing mask packed with charcoal powder and kaolin clay that draws out impurities, absorbs excess oil, detoxifies the skin, tightens the pore. This mask is your go-to glowing, refreshed skin, that's for sure. I really enjoyed using this one. It is very different and it creates this bubbles, which is very exciting to rub onto. It provides deep cleansing and retains moisture, smoothens and plumps skin, maintains a positive oil moisture balance, and is perfect for keeping your skin healthy and radiant. So I really enjoyed using this cleansing mask. Basically I would say this is a face wash which bubbles up, and yeah, super excited to keep trying this. So very different product and loved it. Okay, so now we're gonna do the scrub. This is recommended to only do twice a week, and this is how the scrub looks. I'll just show you the texture. It has very soft texture and there are very small beads. I don't know if you can see, but there are really small beads, and it's not going to be totally harsh on the skin. Let's start scrubbing the face. I really needed this scrub. Actually my skin is really clogging and I've been not doing my skincare whatsoever. I've stopped doing everything. The texture feels really good. It smells nice and it's not very harsh on the skin, which is really good. I'm just gonna scrub for like 2-3 minutes and just rinse my face after this, and we'll see how that feels. Oh my god, you guys, my skin feels so clean and so soft. This really worked, and I really enjoyed using this scrub. So I'm just going to read a few things that it claims to do. So this is enriched with jojoba oil, castor oil and vitamin E, gently eliminates impurities and dead skin cells for clearer and refined skin texture. That I can totally see my skin looks so soft and so fresh. Use twice weekly, massage over damp skin, avoiding the eye area, and rinse well. So let's move on to the next product. Now my skin is all cleansed, scrubbed, and now it's time to give my skin some hydration. So now we're going to use this very new hyaluronic serum. So I'm going to just read what this claims. Hydrates and moisturizes the skin, reduces the appearance of fine line. And this is how the texture is. It's very runny, and I'm just going to take it and apply that onto my face. This also provides antioxidant defense against free radical damage and reduces inflammation. So I'm not gonna just leave any part. I'm just gonna cover my entire face with this and massage it really nicely. This also claims to soften and smoothen for more even skin tone, leaves your skin feeling soft and alive. Definitely feels very smooth and it feels good, you know, really good. Now my skin is all hydrated and we're gonna move on to another product which I'm super excited. The fourth product is the Aquaholic Clarifying Spot Gel. So this is basically a spot gel. You just apply wherever you feel that you need to. So what I'm going to do is, this is basically a roll on, and you just kind of roll on wherever you think you have spots. So I'm just going to roll on all over my face because I have so much of marks and acne. So this is basically a non-sticky refreshing spot treatment, helps clear breakouts, calm skin. It's lightweight formulas, applies and dries quickly. So basically it's very lightweight and you can totally apply your makeup on top of this. Balances oil production and tackles pimples, blemishes with ease. The non-drying formula keeps the skin hydrated and fresh. I can feel that it's drying really fast. I just applied it and I don't feel that any treatment is on my face right now, which is super because I can go ahead and apply my makeup now. So this has salicylic acid which helps exfoliate the skin and keeps the pores clean. This also has aloe vera and honey, which is very famous for soothing the skin and healing. So they also keep the skin supple and smooth, and this works for all skin type. Use the first sign of pimple, spot or blemish during day or night. So you basically can use this whenever you spot a pimple. Whenever you feel that you're getting a pimple, just go ahead and use this. There's no time to it. You can use whenever you want, day or night. I have to try this for that long to be able to tell that if it works or not, but I am super excited to try this. It's so handy. It's just like, just open it and poop poop poop. So simple. I'll just keep this on my vanity, and yeah, so this is the fourth product. Now final product is their hydrating primer. This is how it looks and it's really nice. I've tried this already. So the primer that is a perfect mix of makeup and skincare and is an absolute must-have. This not only acts as a primer but also provides instant hydration. That is so true. I just applied this the other day and I could totally feel that it makes your skin feel so plumped up and so hydrated. This also nourishes the skin and provides skin protection. This is suitable for all skin type. The mix of makeup and skincare, that's what they're calling it, and provide hydration for sure. The texture is so good. Firstly, it comes out to be like this and then it feels so hydrating. So I'm just gonna apply that on my face. Now my skin is all prepped up and it has a very different kind of texture. I'm not able to explain it. Like, it feels like it's a pore filling primer, but then at the same time it's giving me so much of hydration that I don't feel dry at all. So now I'm going to quickly do a little bit of makeup, and for that I'm going to be using this Rage for Coverage foundation, and I'm going to use just a tiny amount. Use the foundation quickly with my hands just to give me a little coverage. Also go ahead with Sugar mascara just to apply onto my lashes. And now to complete the look, I'm gonna use this lipstick in 06 Punch, and I'm just gonna very slightly tap and just smudge it on my lips like so, and also I'll just dab it right here and spread it really nicely. Okay, so that's it for the review. I just love how my skin is feeling. So this is what I came up with. A little bit of makeup, I just applied a little bit of foundation, mascara, a ponytail and a little bit of lipstick, and I just love this minimal makeup look. This is so fresh and so nice. So I'm going to link all the products down below. I'll also post a direct link so that if you guys want to try these products, you can totally go ahead and click on that. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next one with another review. Bye guys.